Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Panama. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, the very first thing that you should check before you apply any kind of visa for any country is that do you really need a visa? Because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, and even combination of other visas that you may have, you may or may not need a visa. And after that, when you look for the process, always check as per the requirements, as per the official entity of the country that governs your residential region. Because based on your region, there could be additional steps, fee, document, and steps. All right, guys. So let's say you are an Indian citizen living in India. So I have opened this Panama Consulate Mumbai website because they handle consular services, visa, and maritime. Okay. So here on this website, if you go for services, they have visa services. Okay. They have visa information. So the national require a stamp visa to travel to Panama. And this can be made at Consulate of Panama in Mumbai. They have embassy in Delhi also, but visa section has been outsourced to them. Okay, now visa requirements. Completed visa application form will go for it, only for Indian nationals and residents. Photocopy of entire passports, all pages, including cover and all blank pages with at least 6 months validity. Wow. The main and last page of the passport to be notarized. Wow. Aadhaar card to be translated in Spanish. The copy of the original Aadhaar card and translated copy to be notarized. Wow. Travel itinerary, hotel reservation, if applicable. Like if you're gonna stay at a hotel, if you're gonna stay with a friend, then the letter, 3 passport size photographs. Photograph requirements are there. Nothing to worry about. Proof of economic solvency with at least $500, which can be one of the following: bank draft, bank certification, any other document. Okay. Employment letter if you're employed. If you're retired, then pension statement. Economically dependent letter of responsibility. Okay. Invitation letter if applicable. Bank certificate. Okay. Now payment, the fee is going to be 60 USD, 50 visa and 110 call consular fee to be payable at Consulate General of Panama. Bank account via bank wire on the day of appointment. Details to be shared in person. Okay, fine. Please bring original of all documents and a set of A4 size photocopy. Passport. Okay. Except for all document information need to be translated into Spanish and notarized. Wow. Economic solvency. Okay, fine. If the visa is approved, an officer from consulate will call to make an appointment to deliver the visa. You must bring your, okay, order for your visa to be stamped. Okay. They do not offer e-visa as of now. Okay. And this process can take up to 3 months, but again, it can vary. Now there's some visa exemptions too. Okay. Multiple entry visa with 6 month validity. One of the following countries: Canada, USA, Commonwealth of Australia, Korea. So that's what I was looking for. That there are some exceptions to that you need to. Okay, fine. Now, before we know everything as of now. Now, before we even go forward, let's check the visa application form. It's in English also, so nothing to worry. Data from person requesting the tourist visa who wants to arrive in Panama. Full name, first name, last name, usual name, birth date, children, marital status, name of spouse if applicable, passport number, passport type, issuing country, nationality, passport expiration date, country of residence and address, telephone number, postal box number, email, profession. If you have relatives or friends in Panama, provide their details. Have you applied for a visa before? Provide the details. The hotel stay that you're gonna stay there, when you're gonna come, when you're with whom you're traveling, how long you're gonna stay, purpose, declaration, name, signature. This is for the interviewer. Okay, fine. All right. Now appointment. How you gonna? They have for contact number also that you can contact, no doubt. So it's gonna be Mumbai. Appeal will select English language. Oh, I think I clicked on reprint appointment. Yeah. Let me see if I can convert, translate to English. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So maybe when you call them and go there in person, probably then they are gonna. Maybe this appointment is for like collecting passport or something. I'm not sure about this, but yeah, you got the process how to do this. You can go to contact them, and because right now it's not giving me an option, so you can contact and schedule interview after verifying you comply with the. Okay, fine. So yeah, so once you get an appointment number, then you can go for it. Okay, apologize. But anyway, we got the idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.